Hello, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create a blank PDF or convert other file formats into PDFs. Click on a chapter to jump to the section you need. Let's start with the online tools. Search for PDFgear in your browser. Then go to the official PDFgear website. Here you'll find all the available online PDF tools. PDF editing tools. Tools to convert PDFs to other formats. And tools to create PDFs from other file types. PDFgear Online tools let you convert these files to PDF for free. You can also download the converted PDFs at no cost. Let me show you how to convert any pub file to PDF. Simply upload your file here. Wait a moment, and your PDF will be ready. Click here to download it for free. Here's the converted PDF file. That's how you convert any pub file into a PDF. PDFgear also supports converting Excel files into PDFs. Just upload the file and wait for the conversion. Then download your newly created PDF from Excel. You can use PDFgear to convert many other formats as well. That's how to create PDFs online. You can also create PDF files on Windows devices. Download and open the PDFgear app on your Windows computer. To create a blank PDF, use the new PDF feature. Click it, and a blank PDF will be generated. Use the editing tools to customize your blank PDF. You can insert images or add text to it. Choose Add Text to insert text into the PDF. Type your text here and drag to adjust the width. You can also choose the font size and color. Drag and drop the text to your desired location. When you're done, click the Save button or press Ctrl or Alt+S. That's how you create a blank PDF using PDFgear on Windows. PDFgear for Windows can also convert files to PDFs. Return to the Welcome page in PDFgear. Click here to start creating PDFs from other formats. Let's convert a PowerPoint to a PDF, for example. Drag your files here to convert them in batches. Click here to remove any file you don't want to convert. This option lets you choose whether to open the file location after conversion. All the files are converted in one click. Let's view the converted PDF. Here's the PDF created from the PowerPoint file. Besides opening the PDF, you can also open the folder location. Here are the PDFs you just created. It's just as easy and free to convert Word files to PDF. Add your Word files to the window. Click Convert to get your PDFs instantly. That's how to create PDFs using PDFgear on Windows. PDFgear also works great on Mac. Download it from the App Store. Click here to create a blank PDF. Give your file name and choose where to save it. Then use these tools to edit your blank PDF. Insert an image into the PDF. And add text to your document. Select the font style from the options. Make sure to save your changes before closing the editor. Now you have your newly created PDF. Press Command+S to save the file. To create PDFs from other formats, use these features. Choose the feature, then add your files here. Click Convert to process all files at once. That's how to create PDFs on a Mac. PDFgear is also available for iPhone and Android. Download PDFgear and open the app. Import the files you want to convert to PDF. Tap Convert to PDF to start the process. Here's the converted PDF. That's how to create PDFs on your phone. Download PDFgear and give it a try. Follow our channel for more free PDF tips. See you in the next video.